Welcome back to the channel guys. This is the all new 2020 Skoda Superb Scout version. The other Scout model based on the Octavia, Karoq and Kodiaq, the new Super Scout will only be available with the top tier engines, namely the 2.0 TSI and the 2.0 TDI. The Volkswagen Passat All-Track is also its rival. I already made a video on that, click the I button above and get the video. And before starting guys, if you are new to our channel, please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get our daily updates. The former is rated at 272 horsepower and 350 Newton meters torque, while the later produces 190 horsepower and 400 Nm torque. In both cases, the engines are linked exclusively to a 7-speed DSG. To further set it apart from the standard Superb Combi, the new Scout has bespoke 18-inch alloy wheels, standard and optional 19-inch featuring a standard two-tone finish that's optionally available for smaller set as well. The vibrant tangerine orange paint scheme is also exclusive to the Scout, as are several customization options. The interior is typically Superb Combi affair, but with some minor changes such as the wood effect decorate strips depicting the Scout logo along with a specific fabric seat upholstery with contrasting stitching. At an additional cost, buyers will be able to order seats covers in combination of leather and Alcantara with brown stitching. Skoda Superb Scout will go on sale later this year along with the regular revised version of the brand's flagship model. The plug-in hybrid Superb IV is due early 2020. Please guys, like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get my daily updates.